What if your workflow needs more than just a simple yes or no decision? Unlike the basic if-else element, which supports only two paths, Conditional Branch allows you to create multiple branches, so your workflow can adapt to real-world scenarios. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Conditional Branch to create dynamic decision points in your workflows. Here's how to set it up. In the Workflows Builder, drag and drop a conditional branch element onto your workflow canvas. Click the gear icon to open its settings. Then click Add New Branch. Type in the branch name. For this example, we'll use less than $1,000 in expenses. Next, define your condition. For example, you want to send an email to HR if an employee's expenses are less than $1,000. But if it is more than $1,000, the email should go to a senior manager. In this case, for the if dropdown, we would choose what is the amount. In the state dropdown, we would choose less than. The target dropdown would remain the same with value. Then enter $1,000 in the value field and save your condition. You can add additional branches by clicking Add a New Branch again. For this instance, we would name the condition greater than $1,000 in expenses. In the if dropdown, we would choose what is the amount. In the state dropdown, we would choose greater than. The target dropdown would remain with value. Then enter $1,000 in the value field and save your condition. Then click Save again. Once your conditions are configured, connect each branch to the appropriate action. Click near the left edge of the Conditional Branch box. When the blue dot appears, drag it out to the left and select one of the branches. Then do the same thing on the right side and choose the other branch. You can repeat this process for every condition you define. Each branch acts as a dynamic decision point, automatically routing the workflow based on real data. And that's how you use Conditional Branch in Jotform Workflows. With dynamic routing and multiple decision paths, you can build smarter workflows that adapt to your data automatically. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Jotform Workflows video.